Hi lovely people, Assalamu Alaikum Warahmatullah. How are you? Muri mutya dear. Keychains zino, I did the first powering. I wanted to do it on camera. I wanted to film it, but umeme chose to disappear the whole day, so I could not. So kati leye yasoose yawedde, giraba yagumyedde already. But I'm going to do the second layer with you on camera, because I'm working in the basement floor, so I don't have enough light to film if I don't have power, because I need to use lights to have the video visible very well. So to know, these are the keychains, and I finished the first layer. Waggulu waliwo akantu ako. Someone may ask, what's that? So akantu ako nkakozesa if I have leftovers of resin, in case I mix resin and I have a lot remaining. Even when it's too little, I still keep it. Like you see, those ones are from different projects. So yeah, that's why I keep it. So this letter A, it has glow in the dark. So this one, L and R, are going to be shakers. That U needs black on top. The rest of them need only clear. Yeah, only clear. But only black will need black resin. So this is the clear. I've already pre-mixed. I cannot stir it anymore because I don't want to introduce more bubbles. The pouring is going on. I want to take this opportunity, this chance, to thank all my customers. Bambi mwebali nnyo, mwebalire ddala. I really do appreciate. I'm humbled with your support. Mwebali nnyo, mwebalire ddala. May God bless you always and forever. In all sectors, in embroidery, in resin, and all other areas. Those buying jewelry from me, banaye njogere chindike chi nenga bambi nsiima. Thank you so much. Back to the keychains. So clear pouring is almost done. I'm doing the letter S, and then it's now done. Kakati, the next step is to put, for this L and R that are going to be shakers, I'm going to need only a small layer on them. That's why I could not just do the pour. I used my popsicle stick to spread because I needed just a thin layer on them. If I do the pouring, it will just over pour and get down, so which I don't want. I don't want mess. As per now, I'm done with the clear pouring, and this is the leftover. I'll put it on the side and then embark on the black pouring. So this is the black. I mix black mica powder and black resin ink. So I'll just fill the mold, because this will, I think this is the last layer for this. I don't know what will happen on the other side, because it has to be flipped the other side to see the first layer, but if it's fine, I think that will be the last layer. So now I'm doing what I do to the leftover, and there you go. I have to put it there because I cannot just throw away all that resin. That would be all wastage. But if I keep it there, I can still get those little pieces and use them in other projects to make beautiful work. These three little hearts you see right there, they help me to spice up these keychains. So I need one of the hearts to match with one of the letters to make a beautiful keychain. So I put clear resin. These two stars as well, they'll help me also. So what I do, if I get a letter keychain, a letter, I join those small accessories to make it more beautiful, like this one you see right up there. You see that little heart matching with that Minnie Mouse head. It makes it more beautiful. what I basically do, I make sure that heart is matching a little bit with the letter. So for the letter S that has shells in it, I put this shell. I tried it when it's not crushed, but it could not fit properly, so I crushed it and I put the crushed shell. And for letter A, with the yellow flowers, I'll put this star. That's why I put the flower in that little star, so that it will match properly with letter A. And then that second star, I think it will go with this black letter U, because on the other side it has silver and gold glitter. So that's why I put silver in that one, so it will match properly, and gold for letter E. So what I do basically, I just put a little attachment to the letter to match with it. Yeah, that's what I do. These are bubbles. Tell you guys, bubbles are so annoying, because when I did this powering, I did not have power. I could not blow away those bubbles, because usually what I do after doing the first pour, I blow out those bubbles with a heat gun. But because I didn't have at the moment, I didn't have electricity, they're stuck there, and they're so annoying because sometimes they are showing, really showing. But today, now I have electricity. What I've done, I blew them. I did not give them any other chance to stay on the letters, though the first ones on the first layer, I could do nothing about it. Yeah, and this is the glue hot air gun. Yeah. So I had to blow the bubbles, because usually when you pour the resin, it brings out the bubbles on top. Because the molds were full, I could not blow exactly on the letter to blow off the resin. I blew at distance, but still, since it's hot air, the bubbles will pop. Yeah, that's what happens. My lovely people, hope I'm not taking you so fast, because my purpose of making these tutorials is to create awareness of resin art and to teach those who would wish to learn how it's done. So let's meet again in the next video when we are demolding and putting together these beautiful keychains. Till next time, till next video, bye bye, take care and be safe. Assalamu Alaikum Warahmatullah.